Hi everybody! So for today's spelling and word work activity, I need you to get a piece of notebook paper and a pencil. And Beatbox is going to join us too. So go ahead and pause this video until you can get those things. Okay, if you're still listening, you have a pencil and a piece of paper in your hand. If you need some paper, you can use a piece out of your home journal. Okay, so we're going to do our compound word listening sentences so that you can practice your spelling words today. So at the top of your paper, put a number 1. Okay, are you ready? And remember, if I go too fast or if I move on too quickly, you can always pause the video or rewind it. You can do whatever you need to do to make sure you have what you need, okay? Number 1. The baseball card is inside my suitcase. The baseball card is inside my suitcase. There are 3 compound words in that sentence. The baseball card is inside my suitcase. Read it one more time and then pause it if you need more time. Don't forget what sentences need to be a sentence. The baseball card is inside my suitcase. Okay, are you ready for number 2? Okay, this one has one of our tricky words in it. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? That's number 2. Think about what kind of sentence this is. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? Okay, and then number 3. I have a picture of a bluebird in my backpack. I have a picture of a bluebird in my backpack. I have a picture of a bluebird in my backpack. We're going to go back through 1, 2, and 3. I want you to put your finger on every word to make sure you didn't accidentally skip one, okay? So number 1, the baseball card is inside my suitcase. Number 2, did you remember to bring your lunchbox? And number 3, I have a picture of a bluebird in my backpack. So remember, compound words do not have spaces between them, so you need to super glue those words together. Make sure that your sentence has everything that a sentence needs. We're going to check number 1 and number 2 together. So number 1 was we all know how to spell the, and that was the first letter in our sentence. The baseball card is in my suitcase. Now, I have a few mistakes. The baseball card is in my suitcase. Can you find one of my mistakes? Silly Miss K. Compound words like baseball, they don't have a space in between them, because part of what makes them a compound word is being 2 smaller words that have been pushed together. The baseball card is in my suitcase. I still have more mistakes. Can you find it? What does that word say? I know that OR makes the or sound. Cord. The baseball cord? No, I want the baseball card. What letters make the R sound? Oh, it's the pirate. A-R. Okay, I still have mistakes. So suitcase, sure, Mama E can make the U make that sound, but in suitcase, U-I is making the ooh sound, and we're going to talk more in a different video today about which other letters can make the ooh sound. Suitcase, and then we need a period at the end, okay? All right, let's erase and check number 2. So if you need to fix yours, you can go ahead and do that, no worries. And number 2 is did. I'm sorry if it's a little crooked. I'm trying to write across the board so that you can see it. Did you remember? What letters make the sound? Oh, ER when it's in the end, okay? To bring, ing, I-N-G. Your is one of our sight words. We should know how to spell your. Lunch. Ooh, I hear Charlie. Box. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? Now, have a period at the end. But remember, periods are used for telling sentences. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? What kind of sentence is that? It's a question sentence. I'm asking a question. Someone would need to give me an answer to that. So that means I need to have a question mark. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? And remember, good readers read question sentences like questions. So you have to read it the way that you would say it. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox? And then someone would have to give you an answer. So friends, I'm not going to check number 3 with you. What I would like you to do is I would like you to take a picture of your paper and put it in Seesaw. Have a great day. See you soon.